Hello everyone. Here are Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. As you know, guys, we have completed the chapter number 12, that is motion and measurement, in which we have to completed the given assessment and exercise. So we will discuss today on the assessment and exercise, in which first one is given at MCQs. MCQs in which you have to tick the correct one. So first one in it given as which of the following cannot be used for measurement of time, that is leaking tap, simple pendulum, shadow of object and blinking of eyes. So the first one, A option, is right. Leaking tap, it is not the used for measuring about the time. Question number 2, which of the following instrument measures time most accurately? Pendulum clock, sundial, quartz watches and sand clock. So second A, that is pendulum clock. Question number 3, which instrument is used to measure the total distance covered by a vehicle? Speedo, thermo, odo or mano? So third is given as, that is odometer, and option number C. Third C. Fourth one, the Jantar Mantar is situated in both in Delhi. Delhi, that means the answer number A. Fifth is given the SI unit of the speed, meter per second, that is A. Sixth is given as the speedometer of a car measures average speed or instantaneous speed, distance, both B and C. No, 6A, that is average speed. 7, in a race a girl run 100 meters in 20 seconds. Her average speed will be, here is two things are given, distance given and time given. Distance given as 100 meters and time is 20 seconds. 100 meter in 20 seconds. So average speed will be distance upon time. So it is average speed, or you can say the average speed, that is 5 meter per second. This one will be the correct answer. So 5 meter per second is the first answer. So 7A is the correct answer. Next, question number 8. Question number 8 is given as Salma takes 25 minutes from her house to reach her school on a bicycle. The bicycle has a speed of 2 meters per second. The distance between her house and school is 25 minutes. It is given in minute, 25 minutes. It has to be changed into seconds. So 1500 seconds. 1500 seconds, if it is changes into 1500 second. Sorry, 25 minute. So 1500 second. Yes, 1500 second. So 1500 seconds, and speed given as 2 meters per second. This is time, so distance will be 1500 into 2. Distance is equal to speed into time. So 1500 into 2, that is 3000 meter or 3 kilometer. So the right answer will be 3 kilometer, which is given A. 8 A. 9 is given. A simple pendulum takes 42 seconds to complete 20 oscillation. So the time period is of pendulum is how it should be managed. It should be calculated or measured by. It should be calculated or measured by the 22 second. Time is given 42 second. Time is given as, and number of oscillation is given. Oscillation given as 20. So what would be the time period of pendulum? Time period. Number of time given. So 42 upon 20. The number of time upon oscillation. So 2.2. 2.1. 42, 20 to the 40. 2.1 is the correct answer. 2.1 second. And it is 9C. Now 10. Which of the following distance time graph shows a car moving with a speed which is not in constant? If the graph is situated like this, so this one is correct answer. Now, question number 11. 11 given as two clocks are there, and in these two clocks, what we have to measure? Here is given, and the first clock is a minute and second hand, and in the B clock they given is a minute, second, and hours. 3 hands are there. So in both cases, what could be the measured time interval of time? 5 minutes can be measured by both A and B. So 11C. 12. A bus travel 54 km in 90 minutes. The speed of bus will be 54 km. So this could be termed as 54,000. Kilometer will have to convert it into the meter. Now it is 54,000 second. Oh, sorry, meter. And the second one is 90 minutes. 90 into 60 is equal to second. Now, distance upon time. Distance given as 54,000 and time given as 5400. So the resultant will be, the speed of a bus will be the 10 meter per second. So we'll have to write down 10 meter per second wherever the answer will be. 10 meter per second, that is 12 v. Now 13, there are the two a student will ask to plot a distance time graph motion described by table A and table B. So table A and B are given, and in this sequence question number 13 answer will be A, that is both A and B. 13A. This is all about the MCQ, multiple choice question, and we'll have to move on to the next portion. Next portion is given as, give one word for the following, as time taken by Earth to complete one rotation, that is 24 hours a day. It should be termed as a day. Next one is device for measuring time by hand by sand flow. So it is called as a sand clock. Third one is time taken by pendulum to complete one oscillation, that is called as time period. Question number 4. 4 is given movement of an object from one place to another place. It is called motion. Pictorial representation of numerical data in form of rectangles of uniform width. This one is called as a graph. 6th, distance covered in unit time. Speed. This is all about one word answer. Now we'll have to move on, match the following. So we'll have to write down match the following. Match the column. Column given as Christian Huygens, that is pendulum clock. Christian Huygens formed pendulum clock. Next one is Jantar Mantar, both in Jantar Mantar. This could be represented as the sundial. Speedometer is speed in kilometer per hour. Speed in kilometer per hour. Leap year 366 days. 366 days. And sand glass, that is flow of sand. This is all about match the column. Now we'll have to move on to the next one, as given in the question. Very short answer question. Very short answer question. First one. Name two types of the clock used in earlier time. What are these? The sand clock and sundial. Question number 2 is given as, if Bozo covers a certain distance in 1 hour and Pavelli covers the same distance in 2 hours, so who travel with the higher speeds? So the Bozo travels with higher speed. Question number third is given as, give two example of event that repeat after a fixed time interval. A rotation rotation of Earth and pendulum moment. This is question number 1, first and second. Now answer number 4. Name 2 places in India where sundials are located. So this one is called as Jaipur and Delhi. Question number 5. What kind of the watch is used to measure the time in athletic meet? This is called as stopwatch. Stopwatch is used for altering the time. So why? This is the very short answer question. Now we'll have to move on short answer question. Short answer question. How many seconds are there in 1 minute and 1 hour? How many seconds in 1 minute and 1 hours? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds and 1 hour has 60 minutes and 60 seconds. So 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 is equal to 3600 seconds. Answer number 2. What is the SI unit of speed? Meter per second is the SI unit of speed. Question number 3. 3 is given as if the distance traveled is measured in kilometer and time is measured in hours. So what is the unit of speed? So in that case the unit of speed will be the kilometer per hour. What would be that? The kilometer per hours. Question number 4. What do you mean by the terms rest and motion? The rest and motion may be defined as an object is said to be in motion. Answer number 4. An object is said to be in motion